Hi everyone, in this series, we're looking at the solution to the just concluded 2024 WAEC Math examination question. We're going to start with the multiple choice questions. Let's get started. Question number 1, you are to multiply 3.4 times 10 to the power minus 5 by 7.1 times 10 to the power 8. This is very simple and straightforward. So you are going to have 3.4 times 7.1 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 5 times 10 to the power 8. When you multiply 3.4 times 7.1, you are going to get 24.14 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 5 plus 8 according to the law of indices. This one is the same thing as 2.414 10 to the power 1. We move this decimal point one time, multiplied by 10 to the power minus 5 plus 8 will give us 3. So this will be 2.414 multiplied by 10 to the power 1 plus 3, that is 4. This is your final answer. For question number 1, the final answer is 2.414 times 10 to the power 4, which is option C. That is question number 1. Let's move to question number 2. Question number 2, you are given this set and you have to find the P intersection R. So let us list the element of P. P contains all integers greater than 1 and less than 20. The element of P is going to look like starts from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 19 because it is less than 20. And the element of Q contains all multiples of 4 between 0 and 25. Start from 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and then 24. These are the element of R between 0 and 25. 25 is not multiple of 4. We have to find P intersection R, that is what is common to both P and R. And if you look at it, you see 4 is common, 8 is common. Remember that this is from 6 to 19. 12 is common, 16 is common, 20 is not common because this one does not contain 20. So the final answer is 4, 8, 12, 16. For question number 2, the final answer is B. B is the correct answer for question number 2. Let's move to question number 3. You are given that the first term of an arithmetic progression, remember AP, the first term A, you are given that it is 2, and the last term is 29. You are given the common difference D to be equal to 3. And the question is how many times are in the AP? Remember the formula to calculate the last term of an AP is A plus n minus 1 into bracket D. You can write this formula to be A plus n minus 1 bracket D is equal to L. Make substitution. Our A is 2 plus n minus 1 into bracket D is 3. And what is the last time? Remember this one is not 1, this is last time. The last time given is 29. Very simple now. Take this to the other side of the equation. We have n minus 1 into 3 is equal to 29 minus 2. This is plus 2. When it crosses this side, it becomes minus 2. So we have n minus 1 into 3 is equal to 27. And divide both sides by 3 in order to get the value of n minus 1 is equal to 27 over 3. And when you divide 27 by 3, we are going to get 9. So now we have n minus 1 is equal to 9 and n is equal to 9 plus 1, which is equal to 10. Final answer is C. For question number 3, answer is C. Let's move on. Question number 4, you have to express in index form log x base a plus log y base a is equal to 3. You have to express this in index form. Very simple and straightforward. Remember the laws of logarithm. So we are going to have log x times y base a is equal to 3. And remember that if you want to remove the log, so the base a will come here, and then this 3 will become the index. So we are going to have xy is equal to a raised to the power of 3. So this is your final answer. So for question number 4, the final answer is D. Xy is equal to a raised to power 3. Let's move on to question number 5. Question number 5 is on simplification. You have to simplify 2p minus q squared minus p plus q squared. This is on simplification. Very simple and straightforward. You have to just be very careful because of this sign is very dangerous, this negative sign. So let us expand this. Remember that 2p minus q squared is the same thing as 2p minus q times 2p minus q minus, let us put a larger bracket here so that we will be careful of this minus sign. And then p plus q squared is the same thing as p plus q multiplied by p plus q. Let us expand this. we are going to have 2p into 2p minus q, 2p minus q, and then minus the larger bracket, and we have p into p plus q, p plus q. Yeah, so let's start the multiplication. 2p times 2p, that one will give us 4p square, minus 2p times this is 2pq, minus 2pq, minus q times minus q will give us plus q square. This minus sign is this larger bracket, this will be p square plus pq plus pq plus q square, and this will be, we have 4p square minus 2pq minus 2pq will give us minus 4pq plus q square minus p square plus pq we got plus 2pq plus q square. That is very correct. So this is going to give us 4p square minus 4pq plus q square. Use this negative sign to open this bracket, minus pq, minus times plus, minus 2pq, and then minus q square. So from here now we can see that minus q eliminate this minus q square eliminate minus q square, and we are going to have 4pq minus 2pq and 4p square minus p square. 4p square minus p square will give us 3p square minus 4pq minus 2pq, that is minus 6pq. And then from here now, what's the common factor to both of them? I think 3p, so this one will remain p minus 2q. That is your final answer. For question number 5, the final answer is A. Let's move to question number 6 in the next video.